This tutorial is designed to highlight some new language terms that are used inside of GCSS Army. Before we get into the lesson, there are some key points that need to be discussed. The first key point is that GCSS Army is a commercial off-the-shelf system supported by the SAP software. The second key point is that some language terms are new to support the functionality of the job process inside of GCSS Army for certain business areas. The first new term that we will discuss is Z-Park. Z-Park is the financial hold to review, reject, or release requests within the system. Requests are reviewed to ensure that money is available to release the order. The requests are normally managed by the SPO, the S4, G8, etc. That will depend on how the unit is structured. The second new term is reservation. Reservation is the location of where supplies are reserved or requested with the desired quantity that can be used on a regular basis. For example, the unit supply specialist can designate how much toilet paper is needed on hand at all times for their unit. The third new term is Mrp Area. Mrp Area is the location or part of the system where expendables, durables, and non-expendable items are managed or distributed. For example, the supply room is where the expendable and durable items are managed. 400-00188_P is an example of an MRP area for expendable and durable supplies. 400-27583_S is an example of an MRP area for non-expendable items. Non-expendable items are managed on a primary hand receipt, aka property book by the PBO. The fourth new term that we will discuss is plant. Plant is the location of specific business areas in GCSS Army. For example, the supply is located in Plant 2000, which is previous PBIS. Maintenance is located in Plant 2000, previous SAMS. PBO is located in Plant 2000. The previous system they used is PBIS. The SSA is located in Plant 2001. Their previous system is SARS. The fifth new term that we will discuss is inbound hand receipt. An inbound hand receipt displays a list of all the non-expendable property book items that are in transit and due into a unit as a gain. Items will make it to the primary hand receipt once received in the system. For example, if you're doing a lateral transfer as the gaining unit, those items that are due into you for your unit to receive will be on the inbound hand receipt until you receive them in the system. Another example, if the PBO orders you a non-expendable item, that item will show up on the inbound hand receipt until it's received in the system as well. The sixth new term that we will discuss is outbound hand receipt. An outbound hand receipt displays a list of all the non-expendable property book items that are in transit and designated to leave the unit as an outbound or a loss. Those items will drop off the outbound hand receipt when the corresponding transactions are complete in the system. For example, if you're doing a lateral transfer and you're the losing unit, those items that you're getting rid of will show up on your outbound hand receipt until the gaining unit receives them in the system. Also, if you're turning in equipment, those items will be on the outbound hand receipt until they are received by the gaining party. And if you're losing equipment due to a property loss, those items will be on the outbound hand receipt until that transaction is complete in the system as well. Not all GCSS Army training is created equal. Subscribe to our website at ciscocoppagellc.com for detailed and easy to understand GCSS Army lessons at your convenience.